Today I'm blending all of my whiskeys together into one single glass. I have 41 different whiskeys, scotches, blends, you name it, on this bar. And the real question is, will it taste good? If you enjoy these kinds of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And additionally, in the comments, be sure to let me know which challenge I should do next, and the most liked comment I'll do on the next challenge video. So with that said, let's get to it. Getting a lot more caramel than I was expecting up front, but we'll see how the blend keeps going. I knew immediately when I put the Lagavulin in that it was going to have that iodine forward smell, but the caramel notes are really trying to come out, but again, that iodine really hits me in the nose. We're halfway through, let's keep going. Wow, that was tedious. I took a half a milliliter from each bottle and blended it into this one glass. Now, the moment of truth. It's not bad, but the Lagavulin I can tell comes through first. I get that punch of iodine, but it does finish on the caramely side. Overall, not a very bad experiment. I'd love to know in the comments, would you try this with your collection? If so, let me know. Additionally, in the comments, let me know which challenge I should do next, and the most liked comment will win. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But until next time, cheers.